And finally, here comes the plow down our street. I figured you'd hear that, but the workers just asked if there's a spot where the orange truck can back up into or something like that. And there's all the lovely snow I'll get to shovel. It's been worse. It's actually not all that high. We supposedly got 10 inches of snow, but it's mostly packed down. So it's actually really like 5 or 6 inches at most, it seems. I don't know where the orange truck is gonna go or what he's gonna do now, but I don't know if there's a downed tree down there somewhere and they need to chop it up or what, but it would be very humorous if he found a way to get stuck yet again. No clue what he's trying to do. Right now, a whole lot of nothing. There's the wind gusts. It's supposed to have 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts today. Let's see how much snow is on the trees. Wet, heavy snow. Oh, looks like there's still a snowplow over there. It was 50 degrees here just a few days ago. A couple hours south here, it hit 60. More wind gusts. And now we can't really see him anyway. So still don't really know what he's trying to accomplish. Now he's backing up into whatever. I'm gonna guess or assume that there's a downed tree or just a lot of big branches over there he's collecting and shredding, chopping, whatever you want to say. Looks like he's basically got mulch in the truck, so. If it wasn't so bitterly cold and windy, I'd take a walk down there and take a look, but we got our fun watching him getting pulled around trying to get towed. Now I get the fun with more shoveling.